What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, are you out of work and stuck at home because of the coronavirus? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 work from home jobs without any experience. Now, if that's something you can rock with, stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 work from home jobs without any experience needed. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometime this month, or when I hit 3,000 subs, someone going to win some free money. So if you want to get a chance to win that free money, please subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And also drop that comment down below too if you want to get a chance to win some free money. Because I'm going to randomly pick a comment once I hit that 3,000 subscribers, hopefully this month. And that person, and maybe 2 people, going to win some free money. So make sure you drop that comment down below. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 3 work from home jobs right now. So let's grind and let's get it. I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of this website is called Rev. That's R-E-V. Now on this website, what they do is audio and video transcription. So you're going to be a freelancer on this website, and you're going to get paid to transcribe the audio and video. So what you're going to do once you get to this site, you're going to go up here and click on freelancers. So it says here, freelancer jobs, work from home with Rev, earn money transcribing or capturing from home. So you're going to create you'll be able to create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and you're going to get paid weekly via PayPal. And right here, you'll be able to sign up with your name and email, and you're going to be able to choose transcriptionist or capture. And I'll tell you in a minute the difference between those 2. And when you click, you'll select the country you're in. So this is available. Let's see the countries. See, it's available all around the world. So a lot of countries on this list right here. So wherever you are, you'll be able to work from home on this website. Now let's look at the differences between transcriptionist and capture. So transcriptionist right here, you're going to listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, and label speakers. And the pay range is from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio video a minute. Now, capture, you're going to watch a video, accurately type what is being said, correctly convey sounds, sync typed audio with video. And that pay range is from 54 cents to $1.10 per audio video a minute. So that's pretty good. So every minute you're going to be making money when you go ahead and do these jobs. All right, let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. So you're going to start making money in 3 easy steps. So take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Submit your transcription or capture sample, which it will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. If you approve, now it's real easy to get approved, so don't worry about that. You'll be able to register and start earning money right away. Now here's a bonus. If you know a foreign language, or if you know how to speak different languages, right here, know a foreign language, sign up to translate subtitles, and you will get $1.50 to $3 per audio and video a minute. Now that's pretty good. So you can get paid three ways on this website. Three different type of jobs you can do. Now, this website has been featured in Forbes, Business Insider. That's some top publications right there. So basically, that's it about this website, and it's a pretty good work from home job that you could start right now. So go ahead and sign up right now at rev.com. Now let me go to the number 2 website that I'm going to show you. All right, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is remote.co. So what they do is provide remote jobs where you can work from home. So once you get to this website, just scroll down here, and it'll show you all the recent remote jobs. So you got one right here that's mathematics contents writer. So if you're good in mathematics, you can go ahead and be a freelancer doing that job. A qualified analyst. So remote customer service jobs. Marketing jobs. Online teaching jobs. Remote sales jobs. Remote project manager jobs, remote developer jobs, remote accounting and finance jobs, remote healthcare jobs, IT, designer, legal, virtual assistance jobs. Now that's a good one you should check out. Online editing jobs. And data entry, that's another good one you should check out. So let's just click on one of them and see what they ask you to do. Let's click on the virtual assistant job. So on this one, they have a lot of jobs right here open. So let's just click on receptionist. So it said, come work with us. Working at Smith.io allows you to earn income and grow your career from the comfort and convenience of your home, all while helping small businesses thrive. So it does say on here you're gonna be working Monday through Friday, and from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Some long hours, but they got different hours. They got 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. So you can work full time. So that's the full-time hours, or you can work part-time. And you can work 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. So this is what you're going to be doing: answering calls, taking messages, understanding call needs. And this is what you must have: great work ethic, prior receptionist or call answering experience, ability to follow instructions, ability to multitask, great communications. So you need a desktop or a laptop. You need strong typing skills, at least 40 words a minute. And you'll be making $10 per hour. $11 if you're bilingual. So if you speak different languages, you'll be making $11. So you click right here and apply for the job right here. So if you have any skills in virtual assistants, I suggest you go ahead and choose the virtual assistant job and apply for that. But all those other categories, you can also apply for them, and you'll probably be getting the same pay, working the same type of hours. Now, I just want to bring up this website, because it has so many different categories and so many different skills, because I know a lot of you guys have skills in all different fields. So if you want to go ahead and check this out and look at all the remote jobs that they offer, go ahead and go to remote.co. Now let me go to the last website. I'm on the third and final website. Now, you've heard of this website before. I've talked about this website before several times. And the reason why I'm putting it in this video, because it's a work at home type of site for anybody. So name of this site is Fiverr. And Fiverr is the most trusted and the most popular website on the internet for freelancers. So let me just scroll down here. And here are the categories that you can explore, that people can explore if any type of service that they want. And any skill that you have, you can go ahead and provide that on Fiverr and be able to make some money from your skill that you have. So we have graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and transcription, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business and lifestyle. So for instance, if you're a designer, you can make a logo design for people and sell it for $5 to $10 to $20 to $30. Now, here's the kicker. If you're not a designer, you don't know anything about designer, you could still be able to sell logos on your site, on your page on Fiverr. All you have to do is just look up free logo design websites, and they're going to pop up. You just use those websites to put in the information that the customer want on their logo. Put that in there, and it creates the logo on its own. Then you go ahead and sell that to them. And to get started, all you have to do is just go to one of those sites, make some sample logos, put it on your page. So when people come check you out, they're going to say, oh, okay, that's some good logos. I want to go ahead and go through them. Now, I know you probably think this website is oversaturated, but it's not really. I mean, because it's a lot of different things you can do to promote your page. You can promote it on Facebook, all social media platforms. You can go to LinkedIn, where people are looking for jobs, and people that have businesses on there that are probably looking for business cards, need logos for the business cards. So it's all different type of ways that you can promote your services and attract people to your page. But like I said, if you have other skills, you see there's multiple categories you can pick from that you can go ahead and sell your services on this website. All right, so if you're ready to get started, go to Fiverr.com. All right, now you know the 3 work from home jobs that you can go ahead and start right now without any experience. So go ahead and start those jobs today and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. And help me to get like 100 likes, guys. When I get these likes on my video, it helps my video on YouTube. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And matter of fact, put this down in the comment section. Hashtag get this money. Put that down in the comment section too. So drop that comment down there. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can, especially in this time where people are losing jobs and need money. Please share it all around the internet, because I want to help everybody. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, that's it. I'm done with this video. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting the brother, and I will keep dropping this content for you guys. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of my other videos until my next video come out. Peace and love, y'all.
This is Rant TV.